ever searched your website or your business on Google and then realized your business is not just showing up there? You have a website, you are active on every social media, even you are offering the great services. But still when you search on Google like best salon near me, best restaurants near me, best SEO company near me, your competitors show up but you don't. And you know what? What's the frustrating part? Most of the business owners don't know what's the problem here. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you. So most of the business owners are not failing because their service is bad. They are failing because their business or their website is not optimized for the local search results. Yes, it's true. In 2026, if your business is not showing up in Google search results or Google Maps, you are losing customers every single day and your competitors are getting more clicks and more visitors. Actually, Google is too picky about the businesses that it shows. It shows only those ones which are legal, trustworthy and tell Google clearly who they are, where they are and what they do. That's all about is local SEO. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what is local SEO and why local SEO is important for your website or your business and how you can just optimize your Google business profile and what is NAP consistency and how you can do local SEO of your WordPress website with the DefiniteSEO plugin. So just don't waste the time, stay tuned and let's optimize your website or your business for the local SEO. Optimizing your website or your business for the local SEO, you need to know basically what is local SEO. So local SEO means to do the localization of your business or your website. By doing the local SEO, you are optimizing your website for the local search results that will show up on the Google when someone will searches the location based terms like best cafe near me, best salon in California and best gym in the Los Angeles. So when someone uses the location based term, Google shows only those websites or those businesses which are relevant to the location. Now the biggest question here is why local SEO is important for your business or your website. Well, the answer is if you are optimizing your website for the local SEO, you will get more traffic and more clicks from the Google search result page. Yes, it's true. Suppose if you are serving in the California area and you want traffic in the another state or another city, then you can just optimize your website for the local search results, and when the people search using the location based terms, your business will show up there. That's how you will get more traffic for your business and you will earn more. So before optimizing your website for the local SEO, first you need to create the Google business profile. So by creating the Google business profile, basically you are telling the Google about your business name, what's your business is about, what are your working hours and which areas you are serving and what's your location. This will help Google to show up your business in the location based terms. So without wasting the time, let's create the Google business profile. So for creating your Google business profile, you need to go to the Google business profile page. First enter your business name and then your business category. And after it you can enter if you want to add location that customers can visit. I will enter, so I'm just clicking the yes button. Now you have to enter your business address here. And then I'm just selecting the none of this because my business is not similar to any of them. Just click on none of them. And then you can just select if you provide home deliveries or not. Yes, I provide, so I'm just clicking yes icon. So in this option, you need to add the areas you are currently serving. This option is totally optional here and I'm currently adding the 2 areas here. Now click on next button. So in this option you can enter your contact details like your phone number, your website link, and the chat number like your WhatsApp number or any other detail you want to add here. I'm going to skip it. In this option you need to enter your phone number. Like if you enter your phone number here, the Google Business Profile will verify your business number. And in the next step you need to add your business hours. Like I am open on Monday to Friday, and then just add the timings like so after it just click on next button. And in this option you can select the dining modes. Like first I have a dine-in, yes, takeout, curbside pickup, no, drive-through, yes, delivery, yes. Now after selecting it just click on next button. And in this option you can add the business description, like what's your business is about, what your business is doing currently. So I'm just going to add it here. Now click on next button. In this option you have to enter the images of your business. Like I'm going to enter the images here, and after it just click on next button. And then you can select if you want to add the images of the menu you are serving. I'm currently skipping this option. And the photos of your dishes, I'm going to skip it. You can add if you want. So that's how you create the Google Business Profile for your business. Once I verify my number, all the details that I have entered in the Google Business Profile about my businesses will be live on the search results page. So now let's do the local SEO of our WordPress website by using the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin. Just follow the steps here. So for optimizing your website for the local SEO, you need to install the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin for your website. Like I have already installed the DefiniteSEO plugin. You can install through the DefiniteSEO website or from the WordPress itself. So after installing and activating the DefiniteSEO plugin, go to the dashboard settings of the plugin and then turn on the local SEO module. And after it just save the changes. So after turning on the local SEO module, go to the settings of the local SEO, and the first thing you have to optimize is the business information. So this is where you can configure all your business information that helps search engines understand your business properly. So the first thing you need to select here is whether you are a person or you are an organization. If you are running a business website like agency, shop, clinic, restaurant or any other local business, you should choose the organization option, because local SEO features are mainly designed for those organizations which are having the physical and service-based locations. And after selecting the organization, you will see multiple local SEO fields. First, start by adding your business name. The business name you will add here should be similar to the Google Business Profile name you have added on that profile. And after adding the Google Business Profile, you need to select your business type, like what type of business you are serving. And after it, you need to enter your business email, your fax number, VAT ID, tax ID, and the price range. There are 4 price ranges here, like cheap, medium, average, expensive, and very expensive. You can select any out of this. Then you can enter the currencies that you are currently accepting. Like if you are accepting in dollars, rupees, euro, you can just enter here. Then just enter the payment methods, like which type of payments method you are accepting. And then just enter the areas you are serving. And after it, just enter the business link, like your website link. If you are having any website, then you can just enter the link here. So now you can enter the multiple phone numbers here and then select the contact type, like which type of number you are going to add here. Like if you are adding the bill payment number, then you can just select here. If you are adding the emergency number, then you can select this option and just enter the number here. Now the next one is the business address. Remember, the business address you will enter here should be similar to the Google business profile address that you have entered there. You have to be very careful here. If you added the different address here, Google will get confused about your business or about your website, and it can affect your rankings. And after it, you can just select the address format, like in which format you want your address to be shown in the for the local SEO. And then just select the opening hours. Like if you want to show the opening hours, you can decide. If you don't want to show, then just click on hide icon, and I'm going to show the opening hours. And then the timings I'm going to enable, and the time format will be 12. And after it, you can just select the about page, like which page you want to add as about page, then the contact page. So after filling all the business information, you can just click on save button. So after entering the business location, you need to enter the map settings. So in the map settings, the first option is the measurement system. Like you can decide if you want to keep it in kilometers or miles. I'm going to keep it in kilometers. And then map style, satellite, and then you can just enter the coordinates here, like longitude and latitude. Or you can just click here, and the DefiniteSEO plugin will itself find the coordinates of your location. Then click on save the changes. So that's how you do the local SEO of your business for a single location only. But suppose if you are serving the different locations and your branches are in the different cities, then how you can do the local SEO of your website? Don't worry, I'm going to tell you. So now we are going to do the local SEO of your business if you are serving in the multiple locations. So for optimizing your website for the multiple locations, you need to create the separate pages of your different branches. Like in my coffee shop business, I have two another branches. So I have created the two separate pages. So I'm just opening the one page, and this is the branch page of my coffee shop. Like the branch is in West Hollywood. So I have opened this page. Now I'm going to click on the DefiniteSEO settings, and then click on the schema markup. So if you are using the pro version of the DefiniteSEO plugin, you will get the local business schema from here. Like I'm going to click the template of local business schema. And after opening the local business schema, you can just enter the schema data. Like you can just enter the name, the link of your website, telephone number, price range, image. So in the address section, you need to enter the address of the another branch. Like I have opened the branch page of the West Hollywood. So I will enter the address here. And after entering the address, you need to enter your geo coordinates. Means you need to enter the map location in latitude and longitude. And after it, you can just optimize your opening hours, like which days of the week you are open, and what are the timings of your business. And after it, you can just check in the raw editor, like how your schema will look like. And you can also test your local business schema by clicking here. Just click on the schema.org and then click on the validate button. So here you can see this plugin is showing 0 errors and 0 warnings. That means the local business schema is already validating now, and it's totally fine. And after it, just click on create schema and just cut this box, and now just save the changes or update the post. So I'm going to do same with the another branch page. Like my another branch is in the Beverly Hills. So I'm going to add the local business schema there too. Just open the page, then click on schema markup and add your local business schema data in this local business schema template. Just fill the address here of the another branch that is in the Beverly Hills, and after it, just save the changes. So that's how you can just optimize your website for the multiple locations. So another important feature is the local sitemap. A local sitemap helps search engines to discover your local pages more efficiently. It makes it easier for Google to crawl and understand your business locations and services and local content. So for it, go to the dashboard settings of the DefiniteSEO plugin and click on the sitemap option. So from the sitemap option, go to the local sitemap feature. Then here you can decide if you want to include the KML file in the sitemap or not. The DefiniteSEO gives you full flexibility to include or exclude the KML file in the sitemap. So suppose I am going to include it, and after just going to save the changes. And if I preview my sitemap, here you can see the KML file is added here in the sitemap. So that's how you can optimize your website for the local SEO and local search results. And you can make it easy with the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin, where you can just optimize your website for the local SEO term and do the local business schema for the multiple locations and also add the local sitemap. So thank you for watching the video and best of luck for optimizing your website for the local SEO.